Solar panels typically do not work during power outages because most systems are connected to the electric grid. This connection poses a safety risk, as live power could be sent back to the grid, endangering utility workers. To prevent this, the National Electric Code requires solar systems to shut down during outages, and the solar inverter handles this shutdown automatically. However, a solar battery backup can resolve this issue by creating a mini-grid for your home. With a battery, your solar panels can continue to generate power, charge the battery, and supply electricity to your home, much like an off-grid system. Modern batteries, such as the Tesla Powerwall, come equipped with advanced monitoring tools, allowing homeowners to track battery levels and adjust energy usage during outages to extend battery life. Ultimately, installing a solar battery ensures your panels remain operational during outages, providing energy independence and reducing reliance on the grid.